Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl dipped in chocolate. So today, from the title below, you know what I'll be doing. So today I'll be unboxing my iPhone 11 and AirPods and the charger. So yes guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, turn your post notification bell to be notified when I Dipped in Chocolate upload another video. Don't forget to go check out my merch down in the description below. Don't forget to like and follow and share my merch's page, period poo. Don't forget to buy something also guys. So I have an inquiry because I've been seeing, I'm just going to leave it right here, why is the not subscribe more than the subscribe? You guys need to fix that because I need more subscribers, right? So do the do before the do you. That does sound wrong. Anyways, let's get to the video. I'll be unlocking the 20W power adapter. Yeah, so guys, just know that I won't be lending anybody my charger because why would I do that? Why would I do that, man? So AirPods time. Where do I open this from? Maybe we're going to need a scissors to open this. Oh, I kind of have a little bit of fingernails, so let's open it. So this is the wire for this, right? So time for what everybody's been waiting for. So first of all, before I open this, I just want to thank the person who bought it for me. Yes, it was a gift. Yes, it was a gift. I just want to thank them and thank everybody who, you know, have subscribed to my channel and all that, man. My girl can't chat to me now. What am I say? Anti-angle triangle. Oh, it comes with another charger. Okay. Okay. What's this? Okay, more. Comes with screen protector. Oh no, come with a screen protector. So I gotta buy a screen protector, and I also gotta buy a phone case. Brother, better contents coming soon. Better quality coming soon. I know need a ring light. So anybody who can buy me a ring light, please hit me up. I'm not gonna take off the plastic off right yet because I'm not gonna really use this phone yet. I continue to use the 7 Plus until I get a phone case and a screen protector for this phone. Right? So yeah. I love the look. It's pretty. I love the purple. The purple is giving what it's supposed to give. These are like, what is this? Oh yeah, these are like instructions on how to use the phone. And oh, this is a sticker. This is a sticker. I'm going to whenever I get a laptop, I'm going to put this on it because I know it's not an Apple laptop I'm going to buy, so I'm going to put an Apple on the back of it. So I got 2 chargers. I'm really interested in using this though. I'm going to use this now though because I really wanted an AirPods so badly. I was thinking about buying it, but the Lord has blessed me with one without me buying it. So yeah, I got 2 charging cords and I have the adapter. Guys, just please remind yourself that I will not be lending anybody my charger. Just know that. Well, even before I got the original charger, I don't lend people my charger. People are very dischargeable. So basically that's how it is. It's so pretty. It won't charge. I forgot to charge it up. Welcome. So it starts up. Hello. Hello, motherfuckers. So the normal iPhone that show all the different language and countries before. So you just choose Jamaica. I don't like to choose Jamaica on the phones, you know, because when I want to use some other apps, it just say, oh, it's not available in Jamaica. Yeah, so I don't really like to use Jamaica or choose Jamaica on them. But guys, this is so pretty. The color is giving what I expected it to give. Like, it's so pretty. Comment down below and tell me if you like the color and the design and everything. Yeah. Okay guys, without further ado, I'm just going to end the video right now because I'm hungry and I need to get something to eat. Yes, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell to be notified when a girl upload another video. Alright,